To DJH Prestige Sports, we've just acquired this lovely little Dacia Duster, very high spec one. I'm just doing it in the rain, so please forgive me. It's just arrived, just to get it marketed. You can see some lovely colour, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass, rear park distance control. This car does have a very high spec actually, for a Duster anyway. You can see boot area's lovely, got the rear parcel shelf. Interior's in nice condition, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's a low mileage example as well. It's got cruise control, it's got reverse camera, it'll come up in a minute, electric mirrors, so reverse camera, with parking sensors, satellite navigation, media pack, air conditioning, drives lovely. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give me a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.